Are you tired of constantly dealing with car battery issues? Do you find yourself frequently having to replace your car's battery or facing unexpected breakdowns on the side of the road? If so, then you're in luck because I've got 5 easy steps to help you maintain your car's battery and avoid these frustrating situations forever. And by the end of this video, you might have learned the really simple yet effective ways to keep your battery functioning at its best. These tips are designed for anyone regardless of their experience with car repairs or maintenance, so make sure to stick around until the end and not miss a single step. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Drive your car regularly. A car's battery is designed to be charged and discharged regularly, and leaving it unused for an extended period can cause it to lose its charge and reduce its lifespan. Therefore, driving your car regularly is the best way to ensure that the battery stays charged and maintains its performance. If you are not using your car for an extended period, it is recommended to start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to recharge the battery. It's also worth noting that if you have an older car or a car that has been sitting idle for a while, you may need to drive it for a more extended period or take it for a longer drive to fully recharge the battery. A good rule of thumb is to take your car for a drive of at least 20 to 30 minutes every week. This means avoiding short rides such as those less than 20 minutes long. This is because these drives do not give your car's battery enough time to recharge fully. As a result, your battery may not reach its optimal charge level, leading to a shortened lifespan. To avoid short rides, try to plan your driving so that you can complete all your errands in one go. This way, your car's engine will have enough time to fully recharge the battery while you're driving. Step 2. Check your battery regularly. Checking your car battery regularly is an essential part of maintaining it and ensuring it lasts longer. It is recommended to check your battery every few months, especially before long trips or during extreme weather conditions. Look for signs of corrosion or damage to the battery, such as cracks or leaks, and make sure the connections are tight. Additionally, use a voltmeter to check your battery's voltage periodically. A healthy battery should have a voltage around 12.6 volts or higher when fully charged. To check your battery's voltage, first, turn off your car's engine and all electronics. Then connect the positive and negative leads of the voltmeter to the corresponding terminals on the battery. The voltmeter should read around 12.6 volts or higher if your battery is fully charged. If the reading is lower, have your battery checked by a professional. A mechanic can perform a load test to determine the battery's health and help you decide whether it needs to be replaced or just recharged. Step 3. Keep your battery clean. Dirt and debris can accumulate on your car battery, causing corrosion and reducing its lifespan. To keep your battery clean, use a mixture of baking soda and water and a soft bristled brush to remove any dirt or debris from the battery terminals. Avoid using abrasive cleaners that can damage the battery terminals or cause them to corrode more quickly. To clean your battery terminals, first disconnect the negative cable from the battery. Then mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water and use a clean cloth to apply the mixture to the terminals. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes, then use a wire brush to scrub away any corrosion or debris. Rinse the terminals with clean water and dry them in the clean cloth. Finally, reconnect the negative cable to the battery. After cleaning the battery, applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the terminals can also help prevent corrosion and extend the battery's lifespan. Now, before we move on to the next point, I want to ask you to kindly subscribe to our channel if you're getting value from this video and smash the like icon as well. This is a great metric to help us know we're bringing value to you guys and keep putting out more videos like this coming your way. Don't worry, I'll wait. Alright, let's get on with it. Step 4. Turn off all electrical components when not in use. When you're not using your car, make sure to turn off all electrical components, including the radio and lights. These components can drain your battery if left on for an extended period, reducing its lifespan. It is also essential to note that leaving your car's headlights or interior lights on overnight can cause the battery to die, leaving you stranded the next time you try to start your car. Therefore, it is necessary to double-check that all electrical components are turned off before leaving your car. Additionally, avoid charging your phone or other devices using the car's power outlet for extended periods. If you need to charge your phone, use a portable charger instead. This will prevent your car's battery from draining quickly and extend its lifespan. Step 5. Disconnect the battery when not in use. If you plan on leaving your car unused for an extended period, it is advisable to disconnect the battery. This will prevent the battery from losing its charge and help extend its lifespan. However, before disconnecting your car battery, you need to ensure that the car is turned off and the key is removed from the ignition. To disconnect the battery, you will need a wrench or pliers to loosen the negative cable on the battery terminal. The negative cable is usually black and the positive cable is usually red. Be careful not to touch the positive terminal, which carries electrical current, while doing this. Once you have located the negative cable, loosen the nut that secures it to the battery terminal with your wrench or pliers. You may need to wiggle the cable a bit to loosen it from the terminal. Once the cable is loose, gently lift it away from the battery terminal, being careful not to touch the positive terminal. It is vital to note that disconnecting the battery will reset the car's computer, which can cause some settings, such as the radio presets, to be lost. Therefore, before disconnecting the battery, make a note of any important settings or codes that you may need to re-enter once you reconnect the battery. When you reconnect the battery after an extended period, ensure that the battery terminals are clean and free of debris. Reconnect the negative cable first, tightening the nut with your wrench or pliers. Once the negative cable is secure, reconnect the positive cable in the same way. All these are steps that are simple enough for anyone to follow, even if you don't have any prior repair experience. Most of these steps involve basic maintenance and can be easily performed with common household tools like a clean cloth, wire brush, and baking soda. And some of these involve no more than changing your driving habits than performing any specific maintenance task. Comment down below to let us know some other tricks you use on your car that we haven't included in this video. However, hold. We just talked about steps you can take that will keep your car battery in top condition. But what if I told you could get to worry less in the first place by simply getting a car that in comparison to other cars has the best battery lifespan? This video over here discusses exactly what I mean by that.